Friends, Lara's company is conducting pool campus drive. This is a walk-in on 26th and 27th August for the B.sc, M.sc and M.pharm candidates, and the post name is R&D, AR&D and production department. So if you are interested, you can apply to the freshers and 2022 passed outs can apply. And this is the official notification. The venue is ABN and PRR College of Science, Kovur, East Godavari District, AP. So if you are interested, you can apply. You can see the complete details on the screen. This drive is exclusively for male candidates. So coming to the next company, which is Raptakos and Bet & Co. His company is conducting walk-in interviews for QA, QC, R&D. The qualification is B.sc, M.sc B.pharm M.pharm B.Tech with minimum 2 years of experience. And coming to the job location, my dear friends, here you can see the location is Then. The venue is Raptorcos Bet & Co. Limited, which is Sastri Nagar, Then. So these are the details. If you are interested, you can apply for this. The timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So let us see the job openings from Gyrus Life Sciences. This is a walk-in on 27th and 28th August for the post name Senior Manager or Manager, Production Assistant Manager or Senior Research Associate or Associate Research Scientist. And the qualification required is M.sc M.pharm and B.pharm or PG Diploma, BE or B.Tech or M.sc Organic Chemistry. Freshers can also apply. The job location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. So time and venue is 27th August and 28th August. And hotel Sharavanti Sarovar Portico 13th Crossroad Dollar Layout 3rd phase. So let us see the job openings from VKT Pharma. This company is conducting walk-in on 27th for formulation R&D, formulation analytical R&D, and the post name is trainee freshers. The qualification is M.Pharm Pharmaceutical Analysis or M.sc Analytical Chemistry or M.Pharm Pharmaceutics or Industrial Pharmacy freshers candidates. The job location is Hyderabad at R&D facility. So interested candidates can apply. Suitable candidates can walk in with the venue, at the venue with updated CV. So coming to the timings, venue is SMS Pharma R&D Center, SY number 186, 189 and 190, Kiglapur, Dindigal, Hyderabad, Telangana. So these are the details. Friends, let us move on to the next company, which is Insta Pharmaceuticals. This is a walk-in on 27th August for API manufacturing. The qualification required is ITI or Diploma with minimum 1 year of experience, maximum 6 years. Starting salary is 1,50,000 to 5 lakh per annum. The job location is Ahmedabad. The venue is Insta Pharmaceuticals Limited, plot number 457458, Sarkes Bawla Highway, Mathoda Village, Taluka, Sanand Taluka, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So Saturday, 27th August from 10 a.m. Coming to Deccan Fine Chemicals, this is a walk-in on 27th August. 100 openings are there for male candidates between 18 to 27 years of age and the experienced 2017 to 2022 candidates. Training period 1 year on the job training will be provided. The post name is trainee chemist, so freshers are eligible. The salary net worth is 19,477 CTC and net amount is 14,946. Here you can see the number of vacancies are 100, technical and HR round, and the venue is Sri Venkateshwara Government Degree College, Palkonda Road, Kottavalsa, Parvatipuram, Manyam District. Reporting time 10 a.m. Registrations are open. You can visit this website mentioned on the screen. So these are the complete details. So you can have a look at those. So coming to the job openings for freshers from MSN Laboratories. The department is Quality Assurance, B.Pharm M.pharm M.sc candidates, and openings are 30 as division is formulation. As I already mentioned, these are freshers jobs, and the location is Hyderabad or Secunderabad, 27th August, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Venue MSN Laboratories Private Limited, Formulation Unit 2, SY number 12771319, Nandigama. So coming to Syngene International Limited, walk-in on 27th August for Production Executive. The post name is Production Executive. The experience required is 1 to 6 years of relevant experience. The job location is Bangalore. The walk-in date is 27th August, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Venue S2, Mezzanine Floor, Biocon Park, Karnataka. So let us see the job openings for freshers from Hetero, and this is a walk-in on 27th August. My dear friends, if you like our content, please hit the like button and share with our friends. And the department is QA/QC Production Junior Officer. Friends, coming to the experience, freshers candidates can apply. The job location is Hyderabad, and the selection process will be on the basics of interview on 27th August at Hetero Corporate 72A2 Sanath Nagar. So coming to Anora Pharma, this is a walk-in on 27th for freshers and experience QA/QC R&D AR&D department. and the post name is junior operator, officer and junior executive. So freshers are eligible, B.Pharm M.pharm M.sc ITI Diploma candidates. The location is Jannaram, Telangana. Venue is as SR number 261, plot number 13 to 14, Annaram village, Jannaram Mandal district. So these are the details, and interested one can attend the interview. So coming to the Aragen Life Sciences, this is a walk-in on 27th August for senior research associate or associate scientist. The qualification required is postgraduate MSc or medicinal or organic chemistry, and the experience required is 4 to 10 years of experience. So coming to the job location is Hyderabad or Bangalore, and the walk-in date is 27th August, and the venue is Aragen Life Sciences, survey number 125126, Malapur, Hyderabad, IDA. So coming to Biophore India Pharmaceuticals, walk-in on 26th and 27th for R&D, AR&D, QA and API. The qualification must be MSc or M.Pharm. So experience, minimum 1 year of experience. Location is Hyderabad or Secunderabad. Venue Biophore India, which is Sangareddy district, Hyderabad. Thank you.